Are these earbuds actually capable of reducing noise up to 98% or close to it at least? In today's video we're going to be finding out if these earbuds are actually worth it for the price or if you guys should look for something else in 2026. Here is the box. You guys can pause this right now to see all of the specs. You do get wireless charging, which I think is a really nice feature to have. Included in the box is the Soundcore Liberty 4NC and the charging case and some ear tips and of course the USB cable. So we're gonna get into the unboxing right here, and if you open up the box you'll immediately be greeted with the earbuds themselves. Now they are covered in some type of packaging, so just remove that and then you can open up the case to see the earbuds design, and I really think the design looks good so far, especially the unboxing experience. If we get into the rest of the packaging, you guys can see here is a quick start guide as well as some extra ear tips for different size ears. You also do get a USB cable over here. Now this is USB Type-C, but it's very short, so please keep that in mind. In the case over here, you guys will notice there is some type of paper on the earbuds. Now make sure to remove that if you guys plan on charging these earbuds in the future. Now I have to say, attention to detail on this is pretty cool because the Soundcore logo is very noticeable and the case design is clean. Now for noise reduction, I really think noise reduction is good because the other day I was actually in a noisy room because I was at an appointment and I really didn't hear much outside of my music or my movie I was watching, which is pretty cool. And of course we do have wireless charging, so for this price point to get wireless charging is pretty rare, so that alone kind of like is a deal breaker for me if earbuds don't have wireless charging, because now you can just top it up if you have like a power share phone or some wireless power bank, so that is pretty handy. And then of course you do get the battery life, which is 9 hours, or they say 10 hours, but I get about like 8 to 9 hours. And I really think that is enough because you can get up to 50 hours with the case, and some other earbuds out there give you only like 6 hours or 5 hours if you're lucky. So the battery life on these are definitely very good. Now for the adjustability, I would say they are pretty comfortable. There is a lot of like sizes you can fit onto your ear that is included in the box, so that is pretty cool. But at the end I got a really comfortable fit, and they also do not fall out if you're like exercising or anything like that. Then you get a pretty cool feature called dual connections, which is pretty cool because you can connect to multiple devices at once. I think it's 2 devices, but I connect to my PC and my phone, and you can basically play audio on your PC, and then if you play something on your phone you can actually hear it automatically on your earbuds, so you do not have to repair them the whole time, which I think is pretty handy and a pretty nice feature that's included. I will also drop the Amazon link in the description of this video if you guys want to go find out more about these earbuds. Now for the app that comes with the earbuds, it's called the Soundcore app, and I actually like a few features, like this option over here to turn on noise cancellation, and of course you do have wind noise reduction if you're outside in a windy environment, as well as transparency mode. This is so you can hear what's going on around you, full transparent or vocal, so you can hear people better. Then we do have the save volume option over here, which you can turn on limit high volume. This is to decrease sudden loud sounds when you maybe forgot your earbuds or are secretly turned very loudly, so this is actually a very helpful feature. And of course you do get the controls. These are some programmable buttons on the earbuds, which is also a nice feature to have. But then we do have this high quality codec over here called AUDAC, and that's for better quality audio if you guys have something like Apple Music or something that has limitless quality, or you can just leave it on the normal feature that is basically for dual connections. And of course you do have the battery in the app that you can see each available earbud and including the case battery, which is also very cool features on this app. I've seen a lot of basic apps, but this one is not one of them. But that's all for me, guys. I really think these earbuds are worth it for the price. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of them. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.